Ubuhay and welcome to my Philippines. Today I'm doing a building. As you can see, I have a drawing that I'm holding in my hand that I got transferred from my tablet. I put it on some onion paper so I have something that I can hold. This building here is on the boulevard, and it's actually, I'm focusing more because it's Starbucks, which is something is known worldwide. There's only actually part of this building that is Starbucks, and I'm trying a new watercolor brush pen, which I quickly found out the Statler bleeds on canvases. Not so much the Tombow watercolor brush pens, but the Statler really do bleed, and you gotta basically adjust what you do to try to fix things so that it actually doesn't look like you're made a mistake. And I'm pretty sure if I wouldn't have told you this, you might not have noticed. Anyhow, uh, the boulevard is a very popular place. Throughout the day, it's fairly busy. Like, obviously, early in the morning is not so much, and late at night, even in the dark. I've been there at 8 o'clock at night, and people are going around playing volleyball and whatnot. Kids playing in the park, in the child area, even at 8 o'clock at night, because it's comfortable, no sun, and it's still usually a warm 28 degrees, or at least that's what I would think, being a foreigner. And I just want to show you places that I have been. And instead of doing like a video like everybody else, I'd rather just talk to you a little bit and show you about the place through my paintings. And the other thing I've learned is don't put your hand directly down on the canvas, because I have made the red bleed in places, and I'm obviously going to have to fix these things. But I really thoroughly enjoyed this, and I will be doing more places throughout the Philippines. Of course, I'm mostly on Negros Oriental, but I will be branching off and going to other places because the Philippines is so photogenic. It's incredible.